Hello everybody, welcome back to another tutorial. My name is Susana and today we're going to go ahead and edit a funeral thank you card. So let's go ahead and start, but first I want to mention the things you can't do on this template. You can't change the size and orientation of the template, and you cannot change the color of the artwork. Let me go ahead and point out the artwork for you. So it's the flowers on each corner here and the bottom flowers. Everything else can be modified, so you can change the text. So you can go ahead and choose whatever font type you would like, change the sizing and the color. And that goes for all the text that you see here. So let's start customizing this card. You want to double click to edit the name and the date. This section, if you want, you can ungroup it. Go to the top right and click ungroup. That would allow you to select each item on its own. Let's upload our picture. We are going to go ahead and click and drag, double click, so we can enlarge our picture and center it. And that's it. You have the back of the card here. You can double click on the background. You cannot change the color of the background, but you can make it smaller or larger. You would go ahead and edit the text here, edit the name and date as well. If you want to ungroup it, just click and ungroup. You have the Spanish template below along with the back of the Spanish card. If you have any questions on this template, please let me know. Thank you for watching this video, and you guys have a wonderful day.